Let's try something new. Does it matter if you use an expensive pump? I'm currently using my cheapest pumps right now, the Dr. Isla pump and the Nime on my right. I have here the Dr. Isla wearable pump and the Nime wearable breast pump on my right. Let's do a pump and pour. Okay, so this is my output from my left. Then we have the Nime on my right. Wait. I need to fix my bra. Okay, so as you can see, okay naman yung output ko on both pumps. Personally, I don't think it matters if you use an expensive pump or not. For me, what matters is the flange size. Flange size yung importante sa akin. So, whether you use a hospital grade, an expensive hospital grade pump or not, kung mali naman yung flange size mo, it wouldn't really get you that far. Kasi yun yung mistake ko nung una pa lang. If only I knew what my flange size was, siguro mas maraming output ko ngayon. Ngayon kasi binabangon ko yung sarili ko. Binabangon yung sarili ko. Ayan. From my slacker side, what I like about this pump is pwede kang nakapahiga. And look at that. Yung hold niya sa breast mo and then yung suction niya talagang spot on. So discreet siya eh. Discreet, hindi masyadong maingay. So yun yung plus side niya. Unlike this one, as you can see earlier, nakalabas siya sa akin. So, on my slacker side, I think this one's 100 ml. So, that's more than 3 ounces. That is a good amount from my slacker side, okay? Ito talaga. Dito kasi lagi naglalatch yung daughter ko. Daughter? Dito lagi, sa left side, lagi naglalatch yung baby ko. So, talagang mas maraming output yung left side ko. She doesn't like my right too. So, from my Dr. Isla pump. So, yeah, if you are on a budget and you want to pump, I think these pumps are good to go now. However, disclaimer, okay, if hindi pa establish yung milk supply mo, mas maganda pa rin yung mas okay pa rin if not wearable pump ang i-start mo. Okay. Doesn't mean that these pumps work on me, doesn't mean that they will work on you. Okay? Pumping is really a hit or miss. So, pwedeng mag-work sa'yo to, this won't work. Pwedeng mag-work sa'yo to, this won't work. Or pwede rin both won't work. We made 8 ounces, by the way. 3 from my slacker side and 5 on my left. Happy pumping!